Hi, we are gamma2 and we're going to give a presentation on hospital management system. Now this hospital management system is already implemented strong technology which many hospitals are using, and it is a cloud-based system. So the advantage of using it would be it can expand exponentially through all platforms, and as you can see from the example, it can sync between different hospitals and different functional areas in our hospital too. So what I mean by that is, so you have a hospital, one hospital. So suppose this is hospital one. Now this has different functional areas. So in our system, we have different core modules such as patient administration, doctors, nursing, ward, and we also have supporting modules which are related to the hospital management. So that would be something like billing or maybe the pharmacy. So all this information gets synced into a single system, so that, and this system can be exchanged between the information can be exchanged between different hospitals or different components of a hospital. So for example, a doctor can see what the nurse has uploaded for a patient. So the basic architecture of our system is like the information between a hospital will be transferred through the LAN. So that's the internal network, and this information will be synced with the cloud. So the system has computers. It supports computers and PDAs and mobile other mobile systems. So what this basically means is, like, you can upload information through your laptop for a patient. It will get synced when someone else opens it in an iPad. Going to the next one. So this is a more detailed view of what this system is like. So there's going to be one central administrator who is going to give permissions to each patient or each hospital to different usernames basically, and that username can be used to access the information through an iPad or a different computer. So this is how a basic and this is a basic idea of how the hospital management system works. So why use this? Now this would also cover off the benefits. So what we have is there's information syncing between different modules of a hospital. So even the external ones such as banks, the insurance, all these are not directly related to the hospital, but since the information, all of these information that's synced in the cloud together, a patient knows what he needs to do and what kind of insurance he has. Even the doctor knows the same information. So it's a completely synchronized system which is helpful for a patient, a doctor, a nurse, or even the hospital administration. Now just covering a few points of the benefits of our exact system. So what we have is we have automation of the processes, and like you can just see these few figures which are present as proof for our hospital system. Next, Abdullah will continue with the training section.
So the training program included developing viral marketing campaign to create awareness and visibility and generating.
The training program will include, firstly, we'll develop a virtual marketing campaign to create awareness, visibility, and generate word of mouth about the new patient record system. This is to ensure that the POS is well known and well established in the industry, making it more attractive to use rather than its competitors. An employee development strategy will also be developed, which will be an essential part for the success of the patient record system. This will align closely with HSE main goals and selecting individuals whose job performance will be most enhanced by the new online system. After completing the training, HSE employees will return to the workplace with a clear understanding of how to use the POR system. The next thing we will do is we will implement a video of an expert of the training record system from our organisation, addressing any key issues that we will have that will have arisen in social media conversations through the HSC online website. We will also have regular articles and blogs posts on our company website to increase interaction and awareness of any new updates. To introduce an element of fun into this, we will have developed an education employee system to use the software by creating the patient record guru, an online virtual assistant for employees designed to drive the overall employee experience and educate employees about the system. So ask the patient guru if you're ever stuck for any queries or updates on the patient training program.
So the implementation strategy. We're going to start with the national HMIC policy. We're going to gather all the information needed and including a health indicator and defined steering committed format, information technology and infrastructure established, human resources need to supply asset. Then we're going to move to health and quality of care standard and criteria developed, information network plan formulated, human resources development plan developed, and standard operation process developed from data capture and processing. We're all going to keep moving through the all stages to plan and reach fully operating national health information system that cover all the hospitals in the country. Okay, for our recommendation for dealing with that system, with two nursing staff, set up the trust relationship between the two hospitals. First, we need to staff in both hospitals should recognize each change in this union action, set up a goal for served patients, focusing on patients' benefit, properly reduce the inconsistency and improve relationship between the staff. Second, establish a committed composed of staff from each hospitals. And third, for the risk and contingency management, we pay attention to the internal control about the information system. For example, people of different levels should take different permission of level in case of stalling information system. Thank you for listening.